are coming to prepare potato upside down. Some people too call it potato pizza. Yeah. So let's do it. I'm grating my carrots and my potatoes. Yes. So this is my carrots and my potatoes here. So our grated carrots and potatoes is here. This is our lettuce and spring onion. So I'm cutting my spring onion into dicey. I'm adding my chopped spring onion here. Wooye mami, be dying. Wooye mami. Okay, so I'm cutting this lettuce. I'm also chopping it. You understand? Wooye mami. Ooye mami. You say, Daddy, ooye mami. I'll add all the potatoes, carrots, lettuce, spring onion. I'm adding them together. So I have mixed them together. So this is green pepper and chili pepper. This is cornflour, chili pepper, black pepper, and flour, and a pinch of salt. So we are adding here. You can see I have my egg here. Any quantity of egg you want to add, you are free. I have my milk here. This is onion powder, garlic powder. So now let's mix them together. I'm adding butter. I'm adding olive oil and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Let's mix again. I'm adding another 1 egg because the egg is small. When you are doing, you have to check the quantity. Yes. I also have my mozzarella cheese here. Okay, so we are done with our preparation. So now I'll put it in a pan, baking pan, and I'll put it in the oven to bake it. Yeah, it's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. Please, if you are watching my videos, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching my video, liking, subscribing, and enjoying the vibe. God bless you. To all my returning subscribers, God also bless you, and I love you all. Thank you so much, so much. So I'm putting it here. So this is, some people call it potato pizza. Some people too call potato upside down. So let's give the name potato recipe. Yeah, because I think I have done a potato upside down on my recipe on my channel. So if you want to check how I prepare my potato upside down, it's under my video on my channel. It has different style on how I prepare it, and this one too is different, but you can go there and check. If you are watching me now, thank you so much. Now we have to put it in the oven to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Yeah, because it has to bake for some time because of the flour and the egg, and moreover I didn't cook the potatoes. Yeah, so this is the potato recipe. Let's put in the... So my beautiful people, if you are watching me, this is what we prepared. Please, if you love me, just like, subscribe for me. You know how much I love you guys. Anana Inquanshefo Kotono Inquantamu. This is my favorite song. Hey, Bedianawalkerdoings sabi. Bedianawalkerdoings wewa shasi nazenda sama sebia. Iradimei wayo, amian coming sebi ogora kandi brianda ha. Hey,